Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mayang Dioff, and I didn't show you guys how I colored this wig, but this is an installation video. This wig is a 613 lace front bob wig. It came as 12 inches. This is exactly how it looked when it first came. This is its natural state. So the wig didn't give me any problems when it was time to color it. Um, like I really didn't have no problems when it came to coloring the wig. I did the water method and it was 2.5. Um so this wig is very thick. It's 150 density. This is how it looks when it's blow dried and dry and everything, no water in it. And it's just very beautiful. Like it took the color really well. I don't really know what to say because like it's a good wig. But guys, this is how it looked when I flat ironed it. It was flowing, it was moving with me, and I just couldn't wait to install it. So guys, this wig is from Superbwigs, as you can tell from the caption. So first thing first, I went ahead and put foundation on the lace just so that it can be my color skin. That's very important when it comes to dark skinned girls doing colored wigs. So right here, I'm just doing my temporary glue method. This is the Got To Be spray, and I'm just spraying down just the front of the wig. It's temporary. It lasts for about 24 hours, and whenever you want to pull it off. So as you can see, the wig is already starting to glue down, and you're just going to continue this method until you feel like it's legit glued down to your forehead. So after you cut the lace, you're going to get some alcohol and just wipe all the dry glue off your forehead so that you can get like a dark brown or foundation, whatever you want to use, liquid or powder. Just make sure that the lace is your color skin, and that's what I'm doing right now. This powder helped me a lot. Like, y'all about to see a big difference. Like, well, you could already see it as I'm using my wax stick. This wax stick was only $10, by the way. So the wax stick helps me lay down the front of my hair, as you can see how natural it looks after I put the powder. So as I'm forming my part, I went ahead and got some concealer just so that my part can be 10 times more straighter. And I was like, oh my God, like it looks really good. So you're just gonna go ahead and get your hot comb and just make sure that the top is flat so that you can make your baby hairs. So after you've done your baby hairs, you're just gonna go ahead and tie it down so that it can be flat and, a little bit more natural looking. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut the bob. So I did end up bumping it just a little bit because, every bob need a little bump, especially if it's like a blunt cut and you didn't get the cut right. Just add a little bump to it and it's gonna look real good. So this is how the baby hairs ended up looking, super natural, and I was so excited. It took the color really well. The bob was moving. Shout out Wigs for sending me this beautiful 613 150 density 12-inch lace front wig. So I ended up doing my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out Wigs. Bye guys.